Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi guys, it's Sue from 1A Auto, and today we're going to be installing our main window switch in our 2007 Mazda 6. To start with, we're going to remove the main power switch here so that we can replace it. I use a plastic body tool. You just need to get down in between and twist it. It pops right up. Now that is exposed, you just disconnect these three connectors. They all have push tabs on them, so we're going to push down. We get a small screwdriver. I like to use a pocket screwdriver flathead. If you have a small flathead, you can use that. I see someone broke the tab, so I have to guide this down in there and push. Yeah, they broke the tab right off. So now with that disconnected, we have the main switch. So once you have your main switch out with the casing cover, to remove the switch from the cover, use a T20, that's a Torx bit 20 socket or screwdriver, and you back out the three screws. It's not difficult, but you want to take just caution because everything's plastic. So, and then it just slides right out. Now here's your broken switch. That's completely broken. And here's our new switch from 1aauto.com. It has the left and right mirror control, the lock the window control, and you have two auto buttons in the front for the front windows and the switches for the rear windows. So if you need this part or any part for your car, come on over to 1aauto.com. So to reinstall, we're just going to reverse procedure. I'm going to click all the connectors back in. That's the control for the mirror, the center one, and then the back one. And now that that clip is broken, I'm going to see how if it will lock into place. Yep, did. That's good. So now you're just going to tuck the wires down in. This particular model doesn't have a nose clip that has like a horn that slides under. These are all straight down clips. So you're just going to line it up and push it straight down. And you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.